Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some snack recipe. Now I'll show you ingredients for this. This has sprouted chana or sprouted chickpeas, black sprouted chickpeas. This is done by soaking overnight and just take the water out and cover it for 1 or 2 days. Like, you need to wash every day, then you find the sprouts like this. Then we need potato and capsicum, any color, any capsicum will work, bell pepper, and these goes raw, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, and chopped cilantro. And we need chili powder for taste and salt for taste and oil. So this will be done on skillet, or you call tawa. I need to heat the tawa. First goes the chana. My tawa is ready. Now let's start the recipe. I'll cover it with lid and keep it for some time. Next, I can see steam coming out, so I can take this out. Let me see if it is cooked. That looks good. Mix it well. I'll add half spoon oil. I'm not going to roast this more because I want to preserve the sprout value. The protein and other vitamins, minerals will be better if it is not overcooked form. So that's the reason I'm trying to cook less. A little bit salt, half spoon. The rest half spoon I'll be sprinkling on the top, and half spoon red chilli powder, and mix it. Oil on this. I'll cover this and wait until it is golden brown. Doing same thing with the capsicums or bell pepper. Cover with lid. I'm going to add little bit red chili powder and salt. I'm going to add same thing, pinch of red chili powder and pinch of salt. Let's see how this green capsicum. You don't have to wait till everything is cooked. Little color, brown color is good enough. We are trying to save the nutritional value. The fill this. Sprouted chana. Top up with green capsicum and orange capsicum, and you can add tomatoes, and onions, and cilantro, and top up with potato slice. Lemon is optional.